All right, going to be looking at stock ticker symbol THCT, currently traded at $1.25 right here. You guys see that right now. You guys do have a little bit of a gap down or a gap up, so keep that in mind. The gap is roughly at 84.82, just not too big of a gap, but it's there. You guys, the volume's coming in. The RSI is currently at 92. You guys are outside that upper boundary band, and I'm not trying to make it all sound negative because that's not what I'm trying to do here. These stocks definitely have that potential to make some moves either way. That being said, let's take a look at what we're sitting at right now. You guys are sitting at a big time resistance level right now. So keep that in mind, please. You guys are sitting at that resistance level right now that's running across all the way from 427 of last year, mainly. So that month, 427 to about 527, right in that area. Okay, so that's what that's what's happening right now. You guys are at that top. You know what? If you're just interested in this one right now, I would hold off on it personally because you guys have I mean, just over the last 2 days, you guys went from 26 cents up to $1.25. There is a gap down here. You guys are outside the upper boundary band. It could go for another day or so. It really depends on the buying pressure. But if you want to minimize any losses and stuff, I would just keep on. There's plenty of other stocks out there. So that's my personal opinion on that.
Just watch it because it's up. Let's see. So they had on February 7th, they had a press release. It's THC Therapeutics is pleased to announce that we have received approval by FINRA for a ticker symbol and name change. THC Therapeutics will now be trading under the new ticker symbol THCT, which is what we see right now. So let's see. So they stated that we are a new kind of cannabis company actively seeking partnerships, mergers, and acquisitions in the cannabis and health and healing industries, says Brandon Romanek, the founder and CEO. As February and March unfold, we plan on beginning the process of hiring highly skilled professionals to fill open positions in our rapidly expanding enterprise. I look forward to an amazing future for our company and shareholders. The first of many products in THC Therapeutics pipeline is the Dehydronator, a sanitizing herb dryer with multiple design, function, and usage patents pending. Traditionally, cannabis drying times vary from 10 to 14 days, but the proprietary multi-purpose Dehydronator technology has proven to reduce the time down to 12 to 14 hours. The Dehydronator can dry and sanitize all herbs, including basil, oregano, rosemary, and more. We are in the process of researching and adding depth to this exciting product prior to release. Because of the vast applications for this product, I see great potential in the home and garden, agricultural, and marijuana industries, says Romanek. More information on the Hydronator can be found here. It's basically if you go over onto Investors Hangout and you put in the ticker symbol THCT, and then if you pull up this February 7th press release, they got the link right over to where the more information for that thing is right there in that press release. So that's pretty much that.
All right, Joe. So over here, like I said, $1.25.90 hold, hitting major resistance at $1.26. Chart is getting overbought, in my opinion. Could move another day or so, but we'll begin to pull back soon to roughly 90 cents ish. That's my opinion based on the other the charts from before back of last year. So keep an eye on it. Like I said, there's tons of other stocks out there. But play it safe. I mean, the company might have a lot going on or whatever the case might be, which is good. But for the short term, it might not be there as far as a trade, but the long term is a possibility. So always keep that in mind.
Or David, then at the same time, do your due diligence. You know what I mean? Look into it. Think about this. If it's really I don't really know anything about growing cannabis and all this other stuff, but what it says, traditionally drying times vary from 10 to 14 days. So I mean, if their product right here is reducing the time to 12 to 14 hours, obviously they would have a product. So I mean, what you need to do is realistically just go and do your due diligence and see if this is all there, because I mean, obviously that would have a demand,
Okay.
and that's basically what it comes down to.
All right, so again, THCT, if you follow the stock, make sure that you hit subscribe right now. Stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. And as always, if there's a hot stock that you're following, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know what you think and the hot stocks that you follow.